Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Day Date 40 in white gold with a Meteorite Baguette diamond dial, reference 228239 in white gold. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar day dates, then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a little history that is day date. The day and date, it stands for the day, Monday through Sunday, which is at the 12 o'clock, and the date, 1 through 31, which is at the 3 o'clock position. And it was created in the early 50s. 1945, Rolex came out with the Datejust. And not long after, I think 6 years, something like that, after they came out with the date, which is an added complication. And since then, it's really gone on to be known as the President. Why? Because it has this very unique bracelet only Rolex has, and they only put this bracelet on the day date, and they call this bracelet actually the President bracelet, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that it was named after called the President bracelet because this watch, the day and the date, was worn actually by presidents. I think it was worn like Eisenhower or something, and John F. Kennedy, and I think the list goes on. So they've really had quite a big success with presidents wearing the day date. And presidents, as the name implies, means the highest, the top dog. So, and this is their top dog, the day date. Okay, so that's just a little history. Now, where does it stand in the lineup of other similar day dates? Well, Rolex only makes the day date in two sizes, size 36 or 40, 36 being the smaller. And they made that for a good part from like 1950 until around 2005 or so. So yeah, a good 50 years they made only size 36. And then they decided to up the size with the Day Date 2 going to 41 millimeter. And the Day Date 40, the reference that you're looking at here, has been this size since around 2015, so more than 10 years. Okay, so it's 40 millimeters now, and it's probably not going to change. It's going to stay here at 40 because they tried 41. That was no good, and they decided, you know what, 40 is a perfect size. Let's just keep it there. Okay, so with that said, where does it stand in the lineup? Well, they make a lot of different configurations. They're all precious metal, so they make it in yellow gold, rose gold, white gold, and even platinum. And in the white gold, which is what this one is, they also make a lot of different variations from that as well. They make it with a diamond bezel, without a fluted bezel, different dial colors, blue, gray, black, white, mother of pearl, etc., with Roman numerals, indexes, etc., etc. But the one that you're looking at here today, which is what we're reviewing, is the Meteorite dial. And as the name implies, it's quite special in that the dial itself comes from a meteorite, meaning it comes from outer space, and now it's actually on your watch. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is one of the most special ones. So let's go ahead and talk about it, starting with the case. The case is 40 millimeters. It's made of white gold, as we just stated. Now Rolex mixes their own gold in their gold foundries, which I think is pretty cool. And it's a mixture. White gold is actually just yellow gold, but gold has a yellow color to it. But they take that gold and they mix it with different proportions of silver, copper, platinum, palladium, etc., and they get the color intended, which in this case is white. Other cases it's rose. If there's no mixing, then it's just yellow. Okay, well, with that said, it has around a 12 millimeter thickness, not too thick, not too thin, just right, if you ask me. It has a beautiful oyster case to it, and high polish throughout the entire case. Okay, let's look at the bezel here. Now the bezel is going to be fluted. This is their signature bezel, the one that everybody recognizes, and I would say that it's the second most recognizable part of the Rolex aside from the crown. And I would also say that the fluted bezel is probably my favorite. They also make other variations. If you like to have diamond bezel, they do that as well. But this one's fluted bezel. It only serves an aesthetic purpose, that's it. But that's a very important aesthetic purpose because people buy these watches for that. Okay, let's look at the dial here now. This is really where the watch gets interesting. Getting a Meteorite dial of any watch from Rolex is not going to be easy. You're going to have a very high account with them, big account with them. So they say that this Meteorite dial actually came from outer space. It is extraterrestrial, meaning it is not from this world. It's mostly comprised, they say, of iron and nickel, and it was heated. At some point it cooled down, and the result is what you see. I don't know how exactly they got it, but they say it's rare, which I believe, and they cut a cross section into it. So every meteorite is going to be a little bit different, but just be assured that every meteorite has passed Rolex's inspection and quality control. So it's not like one meteorite is better than the other. So please don't call here asking, it's like, oh, but I want to see which one's that, which, and if it passes my inspection. Look, if it passes Rolex inspection, then it's going to pass yours. Rolex is not releasing anything that isn't top quality. Okay. All right. So with that said, that's the dial meteorite with all these cool striations, which are actually called Widmanstatin patterns. They just look like little striations here. Okay. All right. At any rate, the also really neat thing is that this watch has baguette diamonds as opposed to index diamonds, which just also make it otherworldly because you have all the beautiful things from, if you think about it, from nature. So this is actually a vegan watch, right? Think about it. There's no meat in it at all. It's all gold, it's diamonds, and it's meteorite. It's all natural. It's all from the earth. So you could be saving the environment by buying this watch. It's an item that is comprised of all the precious materials in this world. All right. Anyways, with that said, let's move on. I already told you the date. Monday through Sunday is at the top, and then 1 through 31 is at the right. Okay, time to move on here to the bracelet. Bracelet is a president bracelet. It's 3 semicircular links across, and it's very beautiful in white gold, high polish down the center, brush finish down the sides. Let's look at the movement here. The movement is actually also updated from the previous generation. It's a 3255 movement. It's precise to 2 seconds a day, and has a power reserve of 70 hours. Okay, nice. Time to try this watch on my wrist. Now, this watch is 40 millimeters. It can actually be worn by either a man or a woman, but I would suggest it for a man because it's size 40. Unfortunately, strangely enough, they don't make a size 36 in meteorite. I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's too hard to make the dial that way. I'm not sure. Maybe they'll do it like in the future. But at any rate, this is a really cool way for a man to have a meteorite dial and still look really masculine, because the diamonds in this baguette format to me are not feminine at all. If they're round, then they're totally feminine. But with this rectangular diamonds, they called baguettes, they don't look feminine, and they look really awesome. So this is actually probably my favorite configuration of the white gold date. I like it. It's just really a beauty to behold. So look, if you want to buy at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy.jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.